Hello friends, Namaskar दोस्तों. Very warm welcome to another discussion of Nifty 50 Bank Nifty Option समाचार with SD. And मैं हूँ SD शानंद दास, your multi-asset trading and investment advisor friend. जितना भी मैं बोलूँ advisor, you should never ever listen to others and trade. This is a very risky thing to do. This is one of the easiest way to lose your money. The most important thing, if you want to really remain in this game, you'll have to create some kind of your rule, otherwise borrow someone else's rule and follow it religiously and turn it over and over again, and the money will be produced. This is not a game where you hear and take tips from others and trade. Some of the exceptional analyst and tip giver may be there, but largely that majority of the people ends up in loss. तो इवन अगर आप मेरा ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, ये मेरा वीडियो देख के काम करना बिल्कुल सही नहीं. This video I'm largely doing to help out the Fountain of Gold students, जो Rainbow students हैं. Elon Markets में, Elon Markets I think you all might be knowing Elon Markets. So Elon Markets, there if you type my name, Shanando Das, this is the multi-asset trading with SD Rainbow Wave. So basically ये course के जो learners हैं, उनके लिए largely ये video I'm preparing. Now this is an option के बारे में discussion, but largely we will talk about option selling, क्योंकि sellers are majority winners. And हमारे इसमें जो strategy है, selling का strategy is awesome. So we'll stick largely with the selling. I'll highlight if the buying opportunities are coming, but buying game is completely different. We'll maybe in future videos, I'll try to include buying game also for the players जो learners है उनके लिए. So this is the Nifty chart. First of all, we'll hide the Nifty chart. We'll make sure the time frame is 125 minutes. This is specifically we are doing for options. Options, our most preferred time frame is 2-hour chart or 125 minutes chart. First, I'll need the asset master. To create the asset master, you'll have to go to his indicators, invite only SD Rainbow Wave version 1. ये नहीं. This one is the one. V1 create click करते ही आ जाएगा. If I apply, you will see the asset master. The same asset master that is above here. So let me remove the first one. So asset master, let me make it bigger. So all of you can see the table very clearly, large. And also SD RSI X, which if you go to indicators, invite only, you'll find SD RSI X. Apply these two. This creates the main fountain of gold setup. This is largely for trading, but option trading के लिए we need to use other setups also for better trading and better trades. So now what we have is a correction, red cap, red candle में green socks, red candle में green socks, green cap appearance. This means tough fight is going on between the bulls and the bears. So price action is currently neutral. Consolidation chance is 57%. Largely जो options sell किए हैं around this area, 25,300 and 24,700 straddle, it is good news for you. Because largely market एक range bound है, so you will be making more money. Whereas जो लोग only call sell किए हैं, आप protected है, because the stop loss is around 24,5,200 for actual price, or that is our level also. So जो लोग 25,000, even this is option selling, you have quite a good premium. We can't say that you should book loss immediately. That's I don't think. We are still in the bearish mode. बहुत ही bearish नहीं है, but bearish mode एक है. Consolidation, sorry, मेरे आंख में कुछ problems हो रहा है. सो कंसोलिडेशन प्रोबेबिलिटी देखिए 57%। साथ में ये सेलिंग कैंडल्स मतलब ट्रेंड इज मोर ऑफ अ बियरिश रेंज, बियरिश नहीं बियरिश रेंज, जहां पे प्रेफर्ड ट्रेड्स ही होता है सेल रेजिस्टेंस। जो लोग बाय करने का प्लान किए थे, जो लोग बायर्स हैं ऑप्शन के, और इस ट्रेड के साथ स्प्रेड बनाने के लिए मैंने बोला था इफ यू रीच डिड दैट स्प्रेड with this green socks, it is better to square off and you will do only sell resistance trade, not breakdown. So you'll let the market go up, give a sell resistance, price action bearish candle. Let me put the alert, price action bearish. Ye alert jab aayega, if short term momentum is in favor, that's a sell resistance opportunity. With obviously a flat zone area as the first areas of major, second major, first area वैसे भी the empty line, it is reached. Second is the flat line. Third will be the touch of the this line, and finally we have this flat zone. This particular slanting area is risky, that if the bears are strong, they might push it through this weakness area rather than flat areas. Flat areas are stronger support, whereas price can escape via this slanting zone. So I don't think if with this correction come back, bulls are significantly coming back. We have to be cautious. Now from Asset Master, we learned this. We'll close the Asset Master. Now we'll open the V2 Risk Master. ये V2 इंडिकेटर्स इनवाइट ओनली V2, इसका नाम बाद में रिस्क मास्टर हो जाएगा, SD रेनबो रिस्क मास्टर। सो रिस्क मास्टर जो है, रिस्क मास्टर V2 के अंदर, दिस इज द रिस्क मास्टर। दिस इज एन ऑसम सेटअप, बट सिंस निफ्टी is not open all the time, it is better to apply on the S&P chart and have a see, which is S&P future charts, for better synchronization with timing. Currently, you see a lot of the measures which were read previously. Let me bring it. Let me see how the risk master has done. चलिए replay देखते हैं, यहां से देखते हैं, इसके बाद big fall आने वाला है. Let's see what it has done. What kind of, whenever risk master high होता है, red होता है ऐसे, if it becomes red like this, drawdown risk very high. That times, even if the sell signal is coming, means if मतलब अपने system में if there is put selling, you have to be careful, which we discussed in the video. If you remember, those regular watchers, that last time before the fall, I was warning कि risk master देके we have to be remain either spread, मतलब hedge trade with the put, or we need to lower the quantity, और उसके साथ sell signal भी था. Now let's look at drawdown risk very high. Say, I'll do a replay of half the speed so that it's visible. Drawdown risk high, abhi bhi high. During declining phase में drawdown risk काफी volatile रहता है. ये meter will remain volatile, whereas buying phase it will become very stable. It will not move that much. But during falling phase, it will change very frequently. See, this is where it's a signal the risk is going lower. So आज का अगर निफ्टी में comeback हो रहा है, it is not a very big surprise. See, it's going, अभी तक कोई भी safe, low drawdown risk, low risk time, drawdown risk, falling time. So it was broadly projected, right? So currently फॉरवर्ड में थोड़ा रिस्क राइजिंग दिख रहा है, वोलाटिलिटी इंडिया में रिस्क थोड़ा एलिवेटेड है, एंड मेनली दिस इज वेयर दिस इज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ ऑप्शन, बट ये रिस्क फेज जो इस बार का रिसेशन रिस्क है, रिस्क फेज हैज स्टार्टेड. सो वी आर मूविंग इनटू अ रिसेशनरी रिस्क फेज. तो आई डोंट थिंक ये जो करंट सेल ऑफ हुआ है मार्केट टॉप, आई डोंट थिंक, but I'll not act based on my thinking. If I see market selling off, obviously I'll remain short, but there could be some bigger correction on the upside. So V2 risk master, we will close. We'll go to 125 minutes chart. You have taken a price action, bull bear fight is going on. अब हम लोग indicators में जाके SD rainbow wave option we are going to select. And SD RSI X we are going to select options. And here we have selected the option master. And under option master in settings, if I select options, I will get the main meter. So I don't need the main meter. इसमें सारे ऑप्शन का ट्रेड्स दिखा देता है क्या ट्रेड्स गोइंग ऑन करंटली दो कॉल ट्रेड्स गोइंग ऑन नथिंग एल्स सो हियर विल सिलेक्ट क्रेडिट स्प्रेड मतलब सेल करने का जो गेम्स है सेल करने का गेम्स में मुझे दिख रहा है कि ऑन दिस डे ऑनवर्ड 5 सितंबर ऑनवर्ड्स सिस्टम कॉल सेल कर रहा है एंड वो ट्रेड्स अभी भी चल रहे हैं उसका कोई एग्जिट नहीं आया मतलब as long as this signal remains, we will continue to sell calls. And those who have done my classes, you know how to choose the strikes. Strike choice is very, very important. Let me hide the line chart. Currently, there is a fight going on. You want a full price action bearish. Now, option is credit spread. दो ट्रेड्स ओवरऑल चल रहे हैं NSE ऑप्शन चेन एंड वी विल गो टू स्टॉकेज ऐप में चलते हैं स्टॉकेज ऐप में लेट्स गो टू व्यू इन ऐप गो टू इंडिसेस निफ्टी 50 go to option chain. Under option chain, we are going to take a look at the changes. क्यों आज एक 26 सितंबर का ऑप्शन जो है बिकॉज 16 डेज के अंदर हमारा एक्सपायरी होना पड़ेगा तो 26 सितंबर ऑप्शन इज नाउ ओपन सजेशन आ रहा है 25,000 एंड 25,200 का कॉल सेलिंग हम लोग जो लेवल चॉइस कर सकते हैं उसके अलावा देखते हैं इस टॉप ऑफ दिस 25,200 टॉप ऑफ ये सारे कंजेशन हो रहा है इसका टॉप 25,300 पर्पल लाइन दैट इज 25,050 तो इसके अलावा और ज्यादा कुछ कर नहीं पा रहा है ऑन द ऑप्शन स्ट्राइक चॉइस साइड सो दैट मीन्स 25,300 we are getting about 121 points. If market closes below 25,300 I'll get all the points for myself. 25,200 I'm getting 159 points. So 159, 160, 280 points we have collected. And it's asking to sell 25,000. So at a max, 3 trades can remain if I have 3 signals. So at max, currently we have 2 signals, mean only 2 trades can remain. So other one, that means the most risky one, we will always give up. This is the risky one. I know that it is giving the best premium in terms of actual amount. But as this is close to the price, this is risky. Also 300, 121, you are better protected till 420. If I sell 200, I'm better protected towards 25,360. But if I sell 25K, my 25,250 area, that remains a risk. And इस time के अंदर बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट मेगा इवेंट्स आ रहे हैं दैट इज फेडरल रिजर्व का सेंट्रल बैंक डिसीजन जिस दिन मेरा लाइव मैराथन रहता है सो दीज आर द स्ट्राइक्स आई prefer to remain away from rather than close by. Now अब देखेंगे निफ्टी में ये लोग जो bigger players, what open interest changes happened yesterday. So largely I can see bigger players reduce their calls. That means, but they have also significantly reduced their put also. Let's look at the open interest levels. Main level दिख रहा है 25 की, 25 का big straddle strangle, so not big movement होगा ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है निफ्टी को देख के. But lot of big put size काफी बड़ा है, that's why we are seeing a recovery. Let's look at 19 September to have a better view. 19 में more put selling दिख रहा है. Also we have some call selling 25,300 as well. So it's not clear picture from this particular data, but from 19th we are broadly getting fair idea on the market range bound is the more idea. उस हिसाब से ही calls बना है. मतलब strikes जो है, open interest जो है, open interest strike choice जो है, उसमें जो बड़ा है, looks like it will likely to be in a range. More picture आज के डेटा, मतलब आज का जो डेटा आएगा स्टॉक एज में शाम को, that will give us better clarity. Now let's go to Bank Nifty. First, the Asset Master 125 minutes chart में we are going to take a look at Bank Nifty in general और समझेंगे कि क्या कहां ऑप्शन हम लोग कर सकते. Then we will apply the meter. वही हम लोग देखिए कल बोले the important level and it's bounced back. That means this level 50,700 you can go for call selling below 57 and 55. 50,500 and 50,700, and the upside, this black line is 50. This is close by. We can have 50,500 and preferably we can have as well 51,600. Chart structure wise, Bank Nifty ka chart is much better in terms of bulls, though it is not bullish yet, better than Nifty. But I think 51,600, these are areas जहां पे इसको resistance मिलेगा. तो Bank Nifty में ये देख के लग रहा है कि more of a strangles ideas will be good for Bank Nifty. So let's look at कि हमारा trades क्या आ रहा है 125 minutes, V2 नहीं, sorry, option trades एक ही आ रहा है, bull put spread, मतलब put बेचने के लिए बोला जा रहा है. यहां से चालू हुआ है इस कैंडल से, that is Monday 9 सितंबर जो कैंडल क्लोज हुआ उस इस कैंडल दिस वन, इसमें आया है पहली बार के लिए सिग्नल कि हम लोग चाहे तो पुट बेच सकते हैं. एंड द लेवल चॉइस आ रहा है 50,800. Now, once Bank Nifty is broadly done, Nifty is done, we'll take a look at Bank Nifty का last जो trades हम लोग discuss किए थे. Let's look at which कहां तक expiry open हो चुका है. Currently Bank Nifty में तीनों का तीन expiry open है. 25 September 51,500, 455, 51,700, ऑलमोस्ट उसी जगह पे है जहां पे हम लोग सेल किए, मार्जिनल प्रॉफिट में है. दैट मींस इवन इन मार्केट बाउंसिंग बैक एज अ सेलर्स हम लोग बेनिफिट में है एंड हम लोग स्टिल वी आर इन द मनी बिकॉज थीटा जो चीज है एंड समटाइम्स फॉलिंग वेगा जो है, दीज आर वर्क्स इन फेवर ऑफ द सेलर्स. So that's all my friends on the option selling side. Buying के लिए तो हम लोग का बैंक निफ्टी में कुछ खास नहीं है. निफ्टी में we discussed with that sell signal and you will have to now wait for a sell resistance opportunity to add to your quantity. Rather मुझे वैसे भी option selling में Nifty ज़्यादा पसंद है rather than Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is more volatile, so as a sellers, Nifty always feels better to me. It's a much more better trending instrument compared to the risk or the volatility. It's a very good, better trending instrument. So I'll always prefer Nifty over Bank Nifty. If anyone starting from this, it should be on the Nifty side rather than on the Bank Nifty side. So all the best to you. Thank you, students. If you are using the setup, use it carefully. All the best to you for your trading. Thank you so much for watching my video. And as always, happy trading.